This is not a factory. It is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, where luxury is engineered by hand. Every masterpiece begins with raw materials, rare, powerful, and uncompromising. Before gold becomes art, it must first pass the scrutiny of perfection. At extreme temperatures, solid gold transforms, ready to be reshaped into legacy. Technology and tradition merge as molten gold is formed with absolute precision. Patience defines luxury. Every second ensures strength, purity, and perfection. Machines can shape gold, but only human hands can perfect it. This is the foundation of greatness, the silent skeleton of the phantom. Here, solid gold becomes more than material. It becomes identity.
Power is built with restraint, engineered to deliver silence, strength, and dominance.
Luxury is not seen. It is felt in every effortless movement. Long before comfort is experienced, it is meticulously constructed. Every line engraved is a signature of mastery, etched forever in gold. Inside the phantom, luxury surrounds you. Not loudly, but confidently. Above you, a private galaxy, crafted to mirror the night sky. Piece by piece, the phantom takes its final form. The paint is not applied. It is layered, refined, and perfected. Even the smallest detail carries the weight of prestige. A symbol recognized across the world, now forged in solid gold. Nothing leaves this room unless it is flawless. For the first time, the phantom awakens. Power in perfect silence. Not just a car, a statement of success, legacy, and authority. From craftsmanship to motion, the phantom begins its journey. This is not transportation. This is Rolls-Royce.